how to use your drill driver and how to use your impact driver. Hola woodworkers, Paul Carlson here, Small Workshop Guy. As always, this is a 3-minute overview, and then I give you links down below to some more extensive presentations on the same topic. Be sure and watch those because they're very educational and very well done. For your drill driver, to put in a bit, you have your keyless chuck. You turn it to the right in order to open up the teeth. You can have that on the forward speed. You can hold the chuck, turn it very slowly, and that'll close down. Put the clutch indicator on the little icon for screw. Put it in speed 2. Speed 2 is your faster speed. Now there's one step you do before you do those, and that's put on your safety glasses. All right, so we have the screw inserted, we have it set to the drill symbol, and we have the number 2 for the speed. All right, so now you do your drilling. Always pre-drill before you put in a screw to keep from splitting the wood. Now, to take that out, I just turned it to the right. I insert my bit that I'm going to use, in this case a Phillips, and I have to decide what clutch level I'm going to use. And you'll have to get some experience with that, but basically you set the clutch level for when you want the wheel to stop spinning because it meets enough resistance. So at the lower settings stop very quickly when it meets resistance. The more powerful settings up around 12, 16, 18, they apply more torque. Put it on 1, that is the slower speed but with more torque. Do not go to the impact driver for all of your, first of all, don't use it for drilling at all. Secondly, don't think of it as being your screwdriver because it's too powerful. Even though it has variable speed and you can pull on the trigger and barely start it, it can break a lot of screws. It is nice and compact for getting up into cabinets. Learn when to use it. You certainly, if you have hardwood, large, powerful screws and they don't break and they don't strip, then that's a perfect tool to get the job done. But be careful. Small Workshop Guy, signing off.